Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at top AI Chrome extensions that you need. Let's get started. Now here are some top AI Chrome extensions that can boost your productivity and transform your browsing experience. The first on the list is Perplexity AI. Now this extension offers AI powered search, content generation, and summarization. It's like having a personalized assistant within your browser, providing quick answers and saving you time. Next is Glaps AI extension. Now Glaps AI allows you to highlight and organize important information from web pages, making it easier to learn and share knowledge. It integrates seamlessly with tools like Notion and Room Research. The third on our list is SciSpace. This extension simplifies complex scientific information, providing instant explanations and decoding math and tables. It is perfect for researchers, students, and science enthusiasts. Next is Merlin. Merlin is an AI-powered personal assistant that learns your browsing habits and suggests content based on your preferences. It is great for streamlining your workflow and discovering new information. Next is ChatGPT, which is for Google Sheets and Doc. Now this extension brings the power of ChatGPT to your Google Suite, enabling you to generate text, answer questions, and analyze data more efficiently. Next is Morph. Morph AI converts text to speech, creating human-like voiceovers for your content, and it is ideal for content creators, marketers, and educators. Next is ScaleNote. ScaleNote is an AI-powered SEO tool that provides keyword suggestions, SEO audits, and content optimization tips. It is perfect for marketers and website owners looking to improve their online visibility. Next, Fireflies. Firefly automates note-taking during online meetings, transcribing conversations, and highlighting key points. It's great for professionals, students, and anyone who wants to stay organized. Scribe uses AI to improve your writing, checking for grammatical errors, suggesting improvement, and predicting what you write next. It's perfect for writers, marketers, and students. The last on our list is WiseOne. WiseOne provides personalized content recommendation based on your browsing history and preferences. It is like having your own content ensuring you always find relevant and interesting information. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Please give them a try.